Okay, welcome back to Projects Wellington. Today we'll be cleaning the roof on this dirty smart car. As you can see, there's a lot of moss on here. It's obviously been parked under a tree. I've also already done this part here and that's looking a lot better. So now we're going to start spraying on the roof. Do a small area at a time and then you can keep an eye on it. We're using Auto Clean soft top cleaner for this, and this does really work well. Cleans it up like new enough, and you also get a protector, and it's about £30 for the kit, but it's well worth it, I think. And you can see the amount of rubbish that's coming off there, because this is quite clean. Well, obviously I washed it. Rub that down after with a clean cloth or a semi-wet cloth. That just gets the rest of the dirt off. Now if you look at the state of that, we're going to go and wash that now. Okay, so as you can see we've cleaned that now, so we're just going to do the next part. The amount of dirt that comes off these is quite surprising, really. Look at the dirt on that. That's why you need to clean it quite often. And what we're going to do now is just get a bucket and fill it with water so we can clean.
After you've done this, you go over it with a jet buster just to get rid of it.
Rest of grounded in dirt. Which, looking at the state of this, I will do. So now that we've cleaned the roof with the scrubber, we can now go over it with this jet washer. It gets rid of all the unwanted